Welcome to our new channel, Not Just Assignments. This is your host Ashish Wadigar, and I am right now at the most innovative thing that we have at Vedum School of Technology. As a campus counselor, as a student engagement manager, and an event manager, I am handling out all the events that you will be having at Vedum School of Technology. This is specifically our innovation lab, which is one of the most futuristic things that we have in the campus. So this video is nothing about BTS or nothing about the student life that we will be covering. Specifically, this video is about the introduction of the campus, the tour of the campus, so that you guys have an idea for all the upcoming future videos. So this is a kind of reference video for all the upcoming content. Now, if I talk about this innovation lab is something ki jahan pe we already have our drone dock, robotic station, and the AI zone. These labs are something ki jahan pe you will have all your tech that you will be requiring for your specific projects in the upcoming years. So if I talk about drone dock, now this is something कि जहाँ पे you will be getting all your drones. जैसे मैं already आपको दिखा सकता हूँ कि यहाँ पे we already have our DJI drones. There are multiple other drone options here. We also have kept a 3D printer here just for the usage of the students, so that students को अगर कुछ भी करना है, कुछ भी 3D print करवाना है, या फिर नए प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कुछ ऐसा कंपोनेंट चाहिए कि जो उन्हें नहीं मिल रहा है मार्केट में, and they have to modify it. This is something that will be off the base use case. Now this is something कि जहाँ पे अपना drone dock में you also have other pieces and things for your planning, setups and things. Moving on towards our robo station. Robo station में अगर आप देख पाओगे, this is something that we have here is a mini robots kind of thing. Along with that we have our Apple Vision Pros कि जहाँ पे we are introducing students to the world of virtual reality as well. Now इसके अंदर now the thing is the use case of Apple Vision Pro is to stimulate different projects that the students are planning. Also plan on to getting the 3D renders of different projects, looking after the real life kind of experience to the students related to their new projects, new robotics equipments or new robots that they are going to create. Along with that, there are still lots of things coming up, जैसे कि Windows PCs, Super PCs that are coming up specifically for designing these products, specifically for testing out these products. और ये सारी चीजें जो है, this would be into our own innovation lab. As I have written up our infinite possibilities into the innovation lab for innovations, for research, for new tech development and things. So ये सारी चीजें जो है वो ड्रोन डॉक में हो रही है, रोबो स्टेशन में हो रही है, और जब इनोवेटिव इनोवेशन की बात हो रही है तो AI जोन कैसे पीछे रहेगा? How can AI be not there? So the third part and the most important part I would say, because it is one of the parts की जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, that is our AI zone. AI zone के अंदर we'll be having our super PCs again. We also have our Macs already installed here. Now this Mac stations is something कि जहाँ पे the students can work out, the students can research, the students can develop. इन सारी चीज़ों में in this complete lab there is no such thing कि जहाँ पे you'll need an access to some external technology. अगर आपको कुछ भी चाहिए तो Vedam is ready to sponsor you for every single thing. Vedam is ready to provide you every single thing right in the campus. Now this was a mini tour kind of thing for the complete campus. Other than this, let's visit around the campus, let's visit the classrooms and also visit a common room for the students. So let's go. So this is our reception of Vedam School of Technology. As we say, learn tech by building it, and this is what we are focusing on. Now as we go from right to the reception area, we have our classrooms, the faculty rooms, the things. So let's get onto it and have an overview of the scene. Let's look onto it. So here we are at the Hive. This is the den for all our coders. कहीं पे भी practice करनी है, if you want to work out on new projects, if you want to discuss something, if you want to have if you want to make a presentation, every single thing can be done here. So this is your part कि जहाँ पे आपका खुद के जो भी self study है, this is your part जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हो. This is something कि जहाँ पे we have already kept a TV specifically for your project discussions, for your conferences. We have kept different sections जहाँ पे आप practice out कर सकते हो. And हाँ यार, this is something कि बहुत बढ़िया लिखा हुआ है कि never stop creating. This is what I tell the students. This is what we want to tell the students कि यार कभी बनाने के लिए या फिर never stop innovating into things, never stop creating new things. कोई भी नया आइडिया है, reach out to the founders, जिसके लिए आपको 1 CR तक की सीड फंडिंग भी मिल सकती है. So that's an important part. उसके अलावा अगर यार आज से देखूँ तो शायद नज़ारा भी बहुत बढ़िया आता है। 2-3 दिन पहले मैंने वैसे रील भी डाली थी कि बहुत बढ़िया भी नज़ारा तो यहाँ पे है। Along with this, we also have our one of the students जो अभी शूट कर रहा है. This is Siddhant Pandey and also our co-host for the channel that is not just assignments. Now this is the guy he is one of our great innovators, upcoming leaders, and I would love him to be here into the video. So switch.
So hey guys, what's up? It's me Siddhant in the frame. Actually I'm a little bit camera shy person. तो ज़्यादातर तो आशीष सर ही फ्रंट पे रहेंगे. I would be at the back end. तो यार वेदम तो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कॉलेज है. आप जितना सोच सकते हो उससे ज़्यादा ही प्रोवाइड करता है. देयर करिकुलम, देयर सब्जेक्ट्स, देयर टीचर्स एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली देयर टीचर्स. दे आर लाइक पर्सन्स हु हैव बिल्ड स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम कोर. जैसे आपने बहुत बड़े बड़े नाम सुने होंगे, दूसरे टेक एजुकेशन के कॉलेजेस है, न्यू टेक कॉलेजेस है, हर जगह पे वो टीचर्स थे. And those teachers are like from Google, Microsoft, straight from there, and they are here teaching us कि corporate में कैसा रहना है, हमें काम क्या करना है, and they are teaching us all the relevant subjects. And और क्या ही बोले यार, सब बेस्ट है, बेस्ट चल रहा है. और कैंपस तो आप लोग देखे ही हो, और देख लो थोड़ा सा. Let's continue on this और आगे डालते रहेंगे. Support us.
So guys, वैसे this was a very formal video जो हमने शूट किया हुआ है अभी, but I promise upcoming सारे videos would be full of fun, enjoyment. There would be BTS, there would be some bakchodi, I would say it in my words, and that would be from both our ends. मैं संभालूंगा थोड़े बच्चों का, बाकी he'll be handling out the rest of the things. जहाँ पे he'll be taking random shots from the students. There would be fun filled into this complete section. So this is the section कि जहाँ पे I would love to tell you that not just assignments is not only my page or not only related to Vedam but also to all dedicated to all the students who are right now into the college and would also have their 4 years ahead in front of them. Any department, any single thing that is into 85PU campus can be shot into this and we'll be including into our videos. So other than this, I think this would be the most formal video till now and in the upcoming years that you will be seeing on not just assignments page. Other than this, I'll take your leave, Siddhant will take your leave. Please like, share, subscribe. This is a new channel. I'll surely need your support to grow and I'll make sure all of the guys are featured into this video. We'll make sure every single person gets their share of the camera.
Yeah, perfect है.
ठीक है.
Also introduced to our editor सक्षम भाई. He's
अरे
not here
यार.
with you. Like हमारे साथ है नहीं वो भी. बंदा बहुत सही है. जरूर मिलवाएंगे किसी दिन.
Okay, so let's do one thing. सक्षम के साथ यार एक योर स्पेस वाला वीडियो भी आएगा जहाँ पे योर स्पेस के बच्चों के साथ करेंगे फुल बकचोदी. We'll have our quite some good time with them and also we'll have a lot of BTS from our your space hostel as well because वहाँ पे there is fun unlimited, there is pranks unlimited. Last time अभी किया था वो recorded नहीं है but यार अगली बार बहुत वाला बढ़िया वाला करेंगे and we'll be doing that as well. So bye bye guys, see you soon and also
It's done. Check out.